Okay, in this video, we will go over probability, and probability is just how likely something is to occur. And we're going to do some example problems. Okay, so the first example problem says you roll a fair six-sided dice, and they're asking what is the probability that you roll a 3. And it's saying it's fair-sided, so there's 6 numbers in a dice, and it's being fair means you have equal chances of landing on each side of the dice. It's not a rigged dice, so you have a higher chance of getting on one side over the other. And because the dice has 6 sides, they're asking what's the probability that you roll a 3? And that's one number, 1 out of 6 numbers. So the probability is 1 out of 6. And that's pretty much it, because if the problem says what's the probability you roll on a 2, it's going to be 1 out of 6. Probability if you roll on a 1, 1 out of 6. 4, 1 out of 6. 5, 1 out of 6. And 6, 1 out of 6. And if you add all of them, you get 100%. Alright, this is the next problem. It's asking determine the probability of pulling a red gumball from a jar that contains 5 red gumballs, 3 blue gumballs, and 7 green gumballs. And the way we're going to do this problem is first we got to understand what the question is asking. It's asking the probability of pulling a red gumball. So in a jar, we have 5 of them. So in the numerator, you're going to put a 5. And in the denominator, the division, what we're going to put here is total number of possible outcomes, or total number of gumballs in the jar. So we have 5 red gumballs, we have 3 blue, and we have 7 green. So we just add it up. And this is going to equal, so the numerator you're going to have a 5, denominator you're going to have 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15. So our probability is 5 over 15, but you could simplify it a little bit. Each of these numbers you could divide by 5. I could divide this by 5, and I can divide this by 5. And in doing that, 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So our probability is 1 out of 3. So we have 1/3 probability of pulling a red gumball from the jar. Alright, the last one says determine the probability of pulling a blue gumball from the same jar, and the jar contains the same combinations. So, same idea. We see what the question is asking. It's asking the probability of pulling a blue ball from the jar, and we have 3 blue gumballs, and then we do the total. So 3 plus 5 plus 7. So let's do that. So our numerator is 3 blue gumballs. And now we have 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So we have 3 out of 15. And we can simplify this. You could divide this by 3, divide this by 3. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. So we have 1/5 chance of pulling a blue gumball from the jar. And that's pretty much it regarding probability.